This is how to go to new line in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf. From your project dashboard, select a project, or you can create a new one. Let's create a new project. We'll choose blank project. We'll name this as new line. Click create. Then we will add 2 paragraphs. We will add it below introduction. This is the first paragraph. And to go to new line, just hit enter twice. Then this is the second paragraph. And click recompile. And you have the second paragraph on a new line. And if you don't want to use paragraph spacing, you can use 2 backslashes. We will remove this space and we will hit spacebar and type in 2 backslashes and just click recompile. So this is how to go to next line in Overleaf.